Hello students, welcome back to your science class. So today we will continue this chapter with the new topic, that is synthetic fiber. So let's start the reading of this chapter. As you know, synthetic fibers are used for making clothes and many other useful things. That means synthetic fibers को हम use करते हैं clothes create करने में as well as some other things. And they may be entirely synthetic or semi-synthetic. That means ये जो हमारे पास synthetic fibers हैं या तो ये purely synthetics होते हैं या फिर semi-synthetics होते हैं. Semi-synthetic fibers like rayons are made by using the natural polymers as the starting material. कि ये जो हमारे पास semi-synthetic fibers हैं, for examples like rayons, ये हम कहाँ से create करते हैं? From the natural polymers. Natural polymers like jute, wool, cotton and silk. These are the natural polymers. When we are mix these polymers and they create a semi-synthetic fibers. And purely synthetic fibers on the other hand are made from the chemicals. That means ये जो हमारे पास completely synthetic fibers होते हैं ये हम chemicals से create करते हैं. For examples like polyesters, nylon and acrylics are the purely synthetic fibers. These are the example of the purely synthetic fibers. Now the next term is the rayon. Rayons is the semi-synthetic fibers. Now we can see how we can easily obtain the rayons by using the chemicals as well as from the natural polymers. So let's start. These are the most widely used semi-synthetic fibers and they are derived from the cellulose and are available in the 3 different varieties. That means ये जो हमारे पास rayons है ये एक semi-synthetic fibers है, हम इसको obtained करते हैं cellulose से और इसको 3 categories में divide किया हुआ है. First one is viscose, cuprammonium and acetate rayons. So first one is the viscous rayons, in which the cellulose like a cotton is dissolved in a mixture of sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfate. That means जो cellulose है जो हमारे पास natural polymer है हम इसको dissolve करते हैं sodium hydroxide and carbon disulfide के solution में and then a viscous liquid called the viscose is obtained. फिर इसके mixture से हमारे पास जो solution obtained होता है हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? viscose बोलते हैं. Now you can see in this pictures we can add the viscose through this tube, that is the filament here, and we can add some drops or small amount of the solution of dilute sulfuric acid. उसके बाद हम इसको स्पिन रेट करते हैं. दैट मीन्स उसको स्पिन करते हैं. स्पिन लाइक वी कैन चेंज दिस फाइबर्स इनटू द थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड द rayons which we can easily obtain by this method, that is the spin rate. Now we can see its second type, that is cuprammonium rayon or cupro. A copper sulfate solution on treatment with an excess of an ammonia solution gives a deep blue solutions of a compound called the cuprammonium hydroxide and cellulose is dissolved in these solutions. That means in which we can add the cellulose into the mixture of copper sulfate and ammonia solutions which is called the cuprammonium hydroxide. कि हम इसमें क्या करते हैं cellulose को dissolve कर देते हैं इस mixture में जो हमें deep blue color का solutions provide करवाता है and then the resulting solution is forced through the spinrates into an acid bath to give the filaments of the cuprammonium rayons. Then we can use the same methods, that is which we can use in the first type, that is हम उसमें क्या करते हैं फिर इसी solution को हम उसको spinrate करते हैं through the same filament और हम उसको rayons को किस में ऐड कर देते हैं, that is dilute sulfuric acid टब में और उसी के थ्रू फिर हम उसको स्पिन रेट करते हैं जिसके थ्रू हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर में और जो थ्रेड हमें ऑब्टेन्ड होता है हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं cuprammonium rayon. Now you can see its third type, that is acetate rayon, in which we add the cellulose, that is cellulose is dissolved in a mixture of acetic acid, sulfuric acid and some other chemicals. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं cellulose को dissolve करते हैं different chemicals में and the solution is forced through the spinrates to obtain the filaments of the acetate rayon. फिर उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं उसी सॉल्यूशन को सिमिलर एसिड टब में उसको ऐड कर देते हैं सेम फिलामेंट्स के थ्रू हम उसको स्पिन रेट्स करते हैं फिर हमें जो थ्रेड ऑब्टेन्ड होता है वो हमारे पास क्या होता है एसीटेट रेयोन. In this way we can obtain the different types of the rayon. So that's all about today. You can revise this whole topic and you can revise this how we can obtain the rayon. Thank you.